recovery. Very good. Making up for lost time. All right.
114.
114.
That's the 130.
Good work after getting that spinner, Bob. So the clocks aren't stuck on 113, are they? All right, as soon as I see slack, I'm going to give you the go.
It's over there.
Yeah.
I might not wait for you.
Did you get that, timekeepers? All right. Go. Nice. Nice.
That was fast. 12, 14 seconds.
14 seconds. Sweet. Way to be, Bob. You ready now? Timekeepers ready?
Yep.
Up to you, Bob. Ooh, barely missed a good quick pick on the tall one. Working it. Uh-oh, a spinner. Nice recovery. There we go. Good work, Bob, especially after having that spinner. 112. Nice time.
Yep, go ahead and set it down.
All right, you know the drill here.
Yep.
As soon as I see slack, I'll tell you to go. Timekeepers ready?
Yep.
All yours, Bob. Go. Well, I'd rather be lucky than good anyway, wouldn't you, Bob?
8 seconds.
8 seconds. Bob, did that scare you?
You see the look on his face?
We'll start as soon as you raise the bucket. You know the routine. Timekeepers ready? Okay, it's up to you. Nice smooth tip on the tall one. Yep. Looking good. Oh yeah, nice. He's got a rhythm going. Look at that. Shaking it off. Almost got a spinner, but he hooked it. That's a good bowling time, Ryan. 58 seconds. 58 seconds. Good time, Ryan.
22 seconds to do this. Oh, don't put pressure on. 21 to win, 22 to tie.
All right, Ryan. Now I'm going to pay close attention real quick just in case you accidentally pop it up there, you know. Anytime you're ready, timekeeper's ready. All yours.
Just a reminder that the sessions will be starting in about 5 minutes.
Go.
Thanks, nice job.
Good job.
18.
18 seconds. I think we found our new leader.